In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Wix Studio to HTML code effectively. Before we delve into the steps, let's outline our goal: facilitating the addition of custom HTML within a Wix Studio website. Although Wix Studio doesn't support direct conversion to HTML, embedding custom HTML is still possible, and I'll guide you through this process. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix Studio homepage, which is the platform primarily designed for agencies and enterprises seeking to manage their web presence efficiently. It's essential to ensure that you're on the right page, because starting from the proper site sets the groundwork for a smooth experience. Once you arrive at Wix Studio's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Locate the login button, which will direct you to the sign in page. This step is crucial since accessing the embedding features requires you to be logged into your Wix Studio account. Afterwards, select the option to continue with Google. This is often the quickest and most seamless way to authenticate your account, especially if you already use Google services frequently. Following this, ensure that you're logged into the correct Google account to avoid any access issues. Now, it's important to clarify that while you can't directly convert a Wix Studio site into HTML, we can still integrate HTML code. This involves adding an HTML element to your site. So, once you're in the editor, prepare to add your custom HTML code. Look towards the left side of the editor interface for a plus icon. Clicking this brings up various elements you can add to your Wix site. Your focus should be on extending your site's capabilities, as this is where we'll incorporate your custom HTML. Next, click on Embed and Social. This category houses options for integrating external and custom content into your site. It's a useful feature when you want your site to reach beyond the standard built-in options Wix provides. From there, select Embed Code. This option allows you to enter custom HTML, making your site more interactive and tailored to your specific needs. As you choose this, ensure your code is ready to be inserted. On selecting Enter Code, you're given an interface to paste your custom code. This is where the magic happens. Fetch your HTML code and paste it into the designated area. Remember, accuracy is key, so double check your code for any errors before proceeding. Once your code is inserted, confirm the changes and your custom HTML is now a part of your Wix Studio site. This method lets you personalize your site effectively, adding functionalities and designs that might not be inherently available in Wix. That's it for today. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to incorporate custom HTML code into your Wix site. Remember, flexibility is at your fingertips, so use these capabilities to enhance your site's design and functionality.